Hello, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to predict the starting material in organic synthesis. The question here says, draw the structure of an alkene that can be converted to 2,3-dichloro-3-ethylhexane upon chlorination. To figure this out, we're going to start from the product. So draw out the product so that gives us an idea of what we need. So hexane is 6 carbons. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. On the second carbon, I have 1 chlorine. On the third carbon, I have the second chlorine. Okay, so this takes care of the 2,3-dichloro. Now on the third carbon, I have an ethyl group, which is 2 carbons. 1 and then 2. Okay, so now that I have the product, okay, the target material, what will be the starting material? The reagent will help us to figure this out. It said here upon chlorination, which means that we had Cl2. If this Cl2 was added, these 2 chlorines were not there at the beginning. So I'm going to redraw the skeletal structure without the chlorine. So exactly what I have there, but without the chlorine. So this, okay? Now, between these 2 carbons, that is where the addition took place. So the double bond can only be between these 2 carbons here. It can also be on this other side because those 2 sides are equal, okay? And that is it. That's simply how you can figure out the starting material for that product.